Okay, so today we're going to be making some really cool looking glittery slime. 1 teaspoon of borax, a bottle of Elmer's glitter glue, a little spoon to mix with, a nice mixing bowl, and a cup of water just to mix it all together. So first you're going to mix the teaspoon of borax and also the cup of water. Next you're going to have to do is empty the glitter glue into a bowl. Now this is going to take a lot of time because it's very hard to get the glue out of a bottle. It took us about a solid 3 minutes. Now here's the time where it gets challenging. We're going to mix it together. At first it's going to be a little bit sticky, but that's absolutely normal. Keep messing with it and messing with it. Sometimes you might need to add more borax and more water. Alright, so we're going to keep mixing. It takes a very long time to get it firm. Sometimes it might become too hard depending on how much water you use. Sometimes we recommend using a teaspoon extra. It always helps, or even a tablespoon. Alright, so now we've kind of completed our glitter glue. See, it's kind of stretchy, exactly what we want. And also it forms into a ball. I think we should test it out. And it bounces. Pretty interesting, right? Glitter glue is probably one of the most interesting things to make. That's it for now. Have a good day.